Hello everyone, welcome to ITBugga YouTube channel. Today I'm going to help you with the common phishing or spam email comes to your inbox which appears to be sent something from you. So I know when you trace the email in Microsoft 365 Exchange Trace, you should see those emails are actually sent from the same person. This seems to be a widely spread phishing email attack type. I know that you all have gone through the Microsoft Exchange rules and also phishing impersonation filtering configuration, and it wouldn't help you. The only thing will fix this issue with these small steps. Let me go ahead and show you the steps. First step is to open up the Microsoft PowerShell as administrator, and then type the first command as mentioned in the description. Make sure to replace the global administrator account and hit enter. After entering the first command, type the second PowerShell command as mentioned and hit enter. So this second command, which is starting from get, will show you the default status of the tenancy. Now it's time to type the third command and make sure to hit the enter. Well, the third command, which is starting with set, will enable this feature to the tenancy. So this would be the final look of the commands. To disconnect from the tenancy, please use the following command. Congratulations! Now you have resolved the loophole. Your organization or tenancy will no longer receive self-spoof emails. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.